everyone. I hope you're doing good. So today we are going to talk a little bit more about Varsha Ritucharya, that is the Ayurvedic health care during rainy season. And we have understood that all the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, get deranged during this season, but more so in case of Vata dosha. Vata is what? The air and the space element, they combine and form this energy in the body which is called as vata dosha. So vata can be correlated to our nervous system. Vata governs every movement in the body. Okay, we are breathing, we are talking, we are able to see, all the five senses, all the functions of the five senses are controlled by vata, right? The digestion, the elimination, our mental faculties, everything is controlled by vata. Okay, the nervous system. And if vata gets deranged, which is a normal process due to the climatic changes during this season, if vata gets deranged, you may have troubles with your digestion, you may have constipation, a lot of gas, you may have pains in body, which is a very common symptom of vata. You may develop some joint pains or some generalized body aches. If you already have arthritis, you may have aggravated pains during this season. You may have hair fall or dry skin. Okay, and you may also have sleep imbalance. You may have irregular patterns of sleep during this time, a lot of lethargy, tiredness, and a lot of either overthinking or dullness comes to the body and the mind, right? So it is very important that we take care of vata this time, and specifically this season. Okay, especially when during the rainy days, when it is raining throughout the day, and it is a little chilly compared to other days. Okay, so how do we take care of vata, right? By using warm things to eat inside, right? So warm water, as I told you, make sure that you're drinking a little lukewarm water, and whatever you're consuming also should be a little warm, right? Soups, vegetable soups, and pulses soup are very good at this time for you to take. Okay, some spices which are little warming, not too warming like chilies, but little bit warming like hing, jeera, ajwain, all that spices you should add into your cooking. Also some oleation, snigdha ahara, little bit. Okay, so make sure that you add a little bit of ghee on top of your food and have it. That will also control your vata. It'll really balance all the aggravated vata in the body. Okay, and again, internally you've given fat to your body. Externally also it is very important that you oil your body and hair, right? So regular massage, as I told you in dinacharya, very important this time. And also do a good head massage every time you take a head bath. Okay, so do not oil your hair and stay like that for very long time, because that will again because there is a lot of humidity, your scalp may tend to get a little dirty because of all the humidity and sweating. So just give yourself a nice head massage half an hour before you take head bath. Okay, so do that. That will really help you prevent hair fall. And body massage again, and a very good season to indulge in some good body scrub like spa at home. Okay, so you can use various kinds of body scrubs, homemade scrubs, or upton as we call it. You can make a combination of besan curd. You can add a little bit of honey or sugar or some suji powder to make it a little scrub like texture, and add a little bit of oil into this and give yourself a scrub bath. That is very good for this season, and especially during rainy days, make sure that you're bathing with a little lukewarm water, not very chilly water. Okay, and lastly also you can continue doing that nasya. Okay, so 2 drops of anutela in each nostril. Do that regularly. That will also really prevent hair fall and also keep your immunity stronger, right? So keep doing that, and I'll be coming up with a few more posts regarding Varsha Ritucharya. Thank you.